Hello YouTube world, Mac Daddy 1911A1 here with the Shade Tree Survivalist. It's been a bit since I was able to put up a video and I have been very busy. What you are looking at is known as Frankenstein's monster, and the reason why will be apparent here in just a bit. The old engine that came on this thing was 8 horsepower and it would burn about a quart of oil every single time I cut the grass. So our old buddy Stan, aka Dakota, found me this 14.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine for 25 bucks. And I had to go take it off the mower that it came on and so forth. And after a hell of a damn time of it, I got that thing installed yesterday and running right. But we had ourselves an adventure. So I'm going to start out and give you guys a rundown on what all I have done to this booger. And let's start up here at the mower deck. Because the other day I'm cutting the grass and right there in the center it busted. Right there, just in there. Maybe you can see it, I don't know. What I wound up doing is taking an old push mower and a sawzall and I cut out me a damn patch and bolted it on there. It looks like homemade hell, but it works really good, and that is all that matters. Because it was completely toast and I just didn't want to spend another $300 on a new deck. The next thing is we got this thing installed. The coil was bad. I put a new one on the damn thing. Not a new one, but one off the other motor, and screwed around and hooked that wire up wrong and burnt that damn thing up. And I'm like, well, crap, what am I going to do now? I don't want to spend the money on a new coil. The same mower I stole that piece of metal off of, I took the coil off it, and you can see the wire is way too short to get down here to plug. I took me a female and a male end, the air chucks, the nipple that goes in your air hose or your impact wrench or whatever. One end is male, one end is female, and I tied them together, bolted them together, shoved them in the damn plug wire, taped it up, used the old coil wire from the Blazer. I got my damn, I got me a wire on there. The next thing is the carburetor wasn't any good. It was pouring gas out of it, so I stole the carburetor and the air cleaner housing off the old motor, put that on there. Then the problem was this is just a straight piece of pipe coming out of the engine, and I had it pointing down, but it was blowing right on the tire. It would have burnt the damn tire up, so I turned it up, took the old stack from my SS14 Sears and shoved on that damn thing, and away we go. But that thing has been an adventure, I'm just here to tell you. But Kim says she was sick and tired of smelling that damn burning oil, and I was tired of dumping a quart in it every freaking week. And this thing, it'll just crank right up and run. Make sure it's out of gear. I still gotta adjust that carburetor. But no smoke, and that's the whole ball of wax. But anywho, this video is long enough. I will have some more videos in the future, but it's just been busy. I've had to work on this thing. I've had to work on the damn car. I've had to work on the Blazer. And I just ain't had any free time, folks. Sierra 250 did get the gun okay, and y'all might go back in the videos of the giveaway when he won and click on his avatar and go to his channel. He may have been able to put it up, but he never could send it to me in an email. It was just too big a damn attachment. But there's Frankenstein's monster up and running. And yes, I am going to replace that ridiculous looking stack, but I didn't have anything else because, make sure it's not hot, that's what I had. So I'm going to have to get a new pipe and a new muffler. But hey, it is a whole lot quieter with that on there versus just that straight pipe. But anywho, Mac Daddy 1911A1 here with the Frankenstein's monster. Y'all be good. Take care. We'll talk to you later.